It's hard to think of something bigger to try and tackle than saving lives, than revolutionizing CPR. For every 10 people who go into sudden cardiac arrest in a non-clinical setting, only one of them will survive, just one.
Compact Medical's mission is saving lives. We're a medical device startup that's trying to innovate something that's been existing the same way for the last almost 70 years.
The problem we're trying to solve is hyperventilation. It's injury from bag valve masks. The problem with traditional bag valve masks is that they rely almost entirely on the skill of the user to ensure that they are operated properly. There is very little built into these devices to help control the volumes, pressures, or rates at which patients receive breaths. And in almost every resuscitation, at least one of those variables, volume, pressure, or rate, will be given incorrectly. So it's common for patients to receive too much air. And the reason why this matters is because human lungs are a little bit like balloons. If you pump them up enough, eventually they can pop. If you look at the original bag valve mask invented back in the 1950s, and you compare that to the bag valve masks you can purchase on the market today, you'll find that they look very, very similar. There has really been a discouraging amount of innovation in this space.
Being in a place where we're free to innovate, it's really exciting to come to work and have those issues and be able to tackle them.
Here at Compact Medical, we're the makers of the Butterfly BVM, or the Butterfly Bag Valve Mask. Every breath is a decision that's going to move that patient closer to going home or not. And the Butterfly BVM helps that lifesaver to make sure that they deliver each breath the way that it's really supposed to be done. We want this company to grow and we want this product to really take over and become the standard of care everywhere. You can't do that without having some additional talent behind there. And so we were just thrilled to have Natalie join the company.
My focus so far has been on building a business model that we'll be able to use to help investors when they're asking about where is their funding going? What are they going to spend money on? How are we going to become cash flow positive? I get to help people figure out how to get the business funded, and then they get to make the medical device that's ultimately going to go help people and save lives.
What's different about the Butterfly BVM is that it inflates more slowly than a traditional bag valve mask. And once the user picks it up, they have the ability to select the max pressures as well as the volume range that they want to deliver to the patient. There are 13 different settings they can choose. It goes anywhere from a baby through all the different pediatric ranges all the way to a full-size adult. So one thing that's unique about it is it is a 3-in-1 bag valve mask. So for paramedics, for people who show up at a scene, you don't need to worry which bag valve mask do I need to pick up. You just grab the Butterfly BVM and you are ready for an infant, pediatric patient, or an adult.
I wake up every morning and I'm really excited to be able to work on this and come up with something that's new in the world.
When we started the company, our mission was about improving CPR to save lives. And we're excited because now we have the opportunity to help save lives in a different way as well by the selection of our contract manufacturing partner with Hope Center Indy. The Hope Center is a haven for women who are escaping human trafficking. These women are coming out of desperate and terrible situations, and the Hope Center is a place where they can heal. And soon, residents of the Hope Center will be able to earn a living building the Butterfly BVM. We just think it's a beautiful and fantastic extension of our mission to save lives, to fix CPR for the future, but also to help save lives in a different sense and give hope to people who need employment, who need a strong, solid wage as they work to retool, and then give them a springboard to whatever comes next in their life. We're an Indiana company. We've been supported in a lot of ways by the state and the resources the state has made available to us, and we're just honored to be able to have the opportunity to give back. Almost every part of the Butterfly BVM will be built, made, everything right here in Indiana.
They've involved me in everything. It's true collaboration effort, just the constant conversation around what can we do better. They've really reached out. They've gotten their funding in order.
Since the company was founded in 2016, Compact Medical has raised just under $4 million. And over $1.5 million of those dollars are federal funds that we brought into the state of Indiana. 10 years from now, I hope nobody will be using a bag valve mask that does not have the ability to control volumes and pressures. And the Butterfly BVM is, we believe, the strongest offering out there to really change the way people think of what a bag valve mask is, to totally redefine that for the future.
My greatest hope for the Butterfly BVM is to just see it save one life. I think that would make all of this worth it.